Imagine this. You're 16. You walk into school rocking $300 sneakers. The teacher says, "Phone's away." You smirk because your phone just made you $200 on the walk to class. Meanwhile, the kid next to you is begging his mom for $5 for gas. Sounds unreal? It's not. This is what Gen Z teens are actually doing. They're skipping the traditional path and pulling in $10,000 per month, using nothing but Wi-Fi, creativity, and pure hustle. And no, they're not selling organs. Relax. Section 1, the harsh truth. Let's not sugarcoat it. The system? Broken. College is expensive. 9 to 5s are soul-sucking. And traditional success? Outdated. It's like trying to stream Netflix on a Nokia. Doesn't work. But you're different. You were born with TikTok, YouTube, and zero tolerance for BS. You don't wait to be chosen. You create, click, upload, and disrupt. So let's break down exactly how teens, just like you, are building empires before they can legally drive. Section 2, side hustle, number 1, faceless YouTube automation. Meet Tyler, 17, no camera, no mic, no face. He starts a faceless YouTube channel about luxury cars. He grabs royalty-free clips, uses AI voiceovers, uploads 2 videos a week. 5 months in, 70,000 subscribers. 1 month later, $12,500 from AdSense Plus sponsors. Tyler, making money in his sleep. Boomers, but where's your resume? Tyler, don't need one, Karen. I got ChatGPT, Canva Pro, and time. Section 3, side hustle, number 2, drop shipping without drama. Now meet Ava, 16, lives in Texas, finds a cute cat lamp trending on TikTok, launches a Shopify store using a free template, posts a 12-second video, faceless of course. It blows up, 1 million views. That month, $14,200 in sales. While school was teaching her how to find X, she was finding customers. No coding, no team. Just taste plus TikTok, just traffic. Ava didn't build a store, she built a moment. And that moment made her more money than most adults make in 3 months. Section 4, side hustle, number 3, digital products that sell themselves. J15, sick of doing homework, obsessed with Notion, so he creates simple templates for students to organize school life. Aesthetics? On point. Posts on Reddit, Pinterest, Gumroad. 3 months later, 10K plus in revenue from a digital file that he made once, that sells while he sleeps. Jay wakes up, checks Stripe, then scrolls memes for 2 hours. Efficiency, 10-10, energy, elite. Section 5, stop saying they got lucky. This is where most people check out. They were lucky. Right time, right place. No, they weren't lucky. They were early. They weren't experts. They were curious. They weren't fearless. They were just sick of waiting. They had no investors, no fancy mentors, just YouTube tutorials and the guts to try. You don't need to be perfect. You need to start. Section 6, what you can start today. Here's what you can do. Starting today, start a faceless YouTube channel, sell Notion templates on Gumroad, flip thrift clothes on Depop, grow a faceless meme page, offer AI content services, sell digital planners on Etsy. You don't need a business plan. You need action. You don't need permission. You need Wi-Fi and willpower. You don't need to be 18. Money doesn't check your age. It checks your consistency. Section 7, real talk. It's on you. You're here, which already means you're not like the others. You're not wasting your time. You're investing it. And that right there, that's the first sign of an entrepreneur. So yeah, your friends might laugh. Your parents might not get it. And your first video might get 6 views and 1 like from your cousin, but keep going. Because in 6 months, you could either be scrolling TikTok, wondering what if, or you could be in this video as the next teen making 10K a month. The choice is yours. Like this video if you're done playing small. Comment "I'm next" if you're ready to start, and subscribe. Because this isn't just a channel. This is Gen Z's playbook to winning.